Welcome to Tool Time with iRex. It's short descriptions of useful things. Today, we're showing iRex's bench mount pneumatic power unit, a tool that allows us to give a handmade touch to uncrimped wires needing to be added into connectors. The beauty of this tool is that it can accept multiple terminating heads for a wide range of terminations. The process for using the machine varies slightly depending on what terminating head is installed into the assembly. Regardless of head choice, the typical workflow begins when the connector is inserted into the left side of the terminating head. Once inserted, the operator needs to align the connectors and contacts within the machine. With the connectors aligned, all that's left is to insert the wire into the guide and press the foot switch. The machine automatically advances after the foot switch is released, making short work of any crimping job. This method is the perfect blend of delicacy and efficacy for assemblies needing extra care, like the speaker assembly shown. As always, our cables are visually inspected before the full order is sent to our QC department for 100% inspection. That's all for now. Check us out on the web at irexmfg.com. Thanks for watching.